What's up, crew? Happy Monday. Oh, we got Colin already in here. We got Ivan already in here. What's up, boys? Cameron, what's good? Let me get some music on for y'all. And for myself. Hold on. That works. All right, I need to get this link out to the crew real quick, so give me 1 second. You can just gaze over my beautiful chart for the next few seconds. Give me a minute. Send this out to the crew. Boom. Okay. All right, we need to send it to everybody. Get in my DMs. Wow, Will sent me the most beautiful picture of a bar that he was chilling at, apparently. Send it to Joe. Send it to Rizzo. Maybe Minxie wants to hop on too. Fast Stock News. All right. The whole crew has pretty much got the link. So we're chilling now. How's everybody doing? Divergence in play on higher time frame. We do have a little divergence at these highs with ES taking out the highs, NQ not yet. Big bounce in lunch there. Hope everybody made money on the lovely PA today. It was lovely PA. Yeah, I did decent. I was up last night, 3 a.m. Eastern, playing the London Open. And then I caught a little short to add on to that. I was playing light because I already made money last night, but I caught a little extra on the short this morning. Didn't get the full move I wanted. I would have loved to be short somewhere up here, but wasn't able to really find a clear entry until this breakaway gap. And we had fair value for him here. It was on the 2 minute. Wait, was it on 2 minute? No, it was a 1 minute setup. My bad. This was the setup essentially, though. My risk, we were tapping in at this fair value gap. My risk was consequence encroachment of this gap. So with this being a breakaway gap, we should not have to trade to the 50%. At most to the 50%, we should only wick inside of here. So I expect this gap to stay open and us only respect this gap, which is exactly what happened. And we took that to the midnight open there, which wasn't bad. So I'm going to close up spaces. Give me a second. Smash that ravishing like button, pro. Let's go. Steven, I saw your comment though, of people listening to the X stream and then having to reconnect. I've seen that a lot more too. I don't know what to do about it, to be honest. I can't really control it, but that's why we're doing more streams. That's why we're going to be on here more. So, sorry there was no sound. I was just closing up spaces real quick. We're back. We're here. Don't you worry. We're here. All things today. Ripping. Yeah, from the lows. It was an initial move down, though. I played the short. I played the short last night and this morning. But beautiful moves to the upside. Oh, let's go, Tommy. Yeah, it is what it is, though. I had it execute on MNQ. We could take out these highs pretty easily, though, if they want to. So, this is also still valid technically. No, take that back. Who's here? Knots is here. What's up, Knots? What's up, Ghosty? My man. How are you, brother? Good to see you. My man. Rivian got me draking, bro. Rivian. I know. Me too. I own it in the long term right now. I'm up. In my long term on it, I'm up 28%. And I bought it less than a month ago. I bought it October 17th and October 22nd. I also bought Bumble, though. Bumble's down 21.82%, but it's only it's only like 2% of my portfolio, where Rivian is like 6.5% of my portfolio. Why Bumble? Literally just following Hamid. And I have no shame in saying that. If you know Hamid, you know he's the GOAT. He significantly outperforms the market every year. So I was just taking some of his speculative plays that he has. But very small percentage of my portfolio. Yeah, Hamid's the GOAT. Obviously, there's like going to be bad plays still, no matter what. But those were the only two plays that he has right now that are, well, not Rivian anymore. But at the time, those were the only two plays that he had that were actually red in his portfolio. And so I took advantage of that and just grabbed a small portion, even if like I really didn't grab enough to be crazy happy if it were to go nuts. But, you know, it's enough to help out the portfolio a little bit. But small percentage compared to all the other names that I own. And, well, it's not a lot, but all the other names. Yeah, Hamid's up like 200% year to date, multiple years. Yeah, he just ruins the market every year. So, yeah, I have no problem taking a little speculative play. And, you know, if Bumble turns out being shit, I don't mind. But Rivian was also on the list, and Rivian's doing me well. So, I'm cool with that. NQ obviously bouncing back, seeking those highs out that ES already took. Crude oil getting a bounce back. Gold ripping back to the highs. Geez. YM, RTY still holding strong. So these are looking good. Things are looking good. We still have this gap we left, though, which, you know, it's at the bottom of a trend. It doesn't necessarily have to go get filled, but I would like to see it get filled. Doesn't necessarily have to, though. What's up, Eva?
What's up? What's up, guys? Happy Monday.
Happy Monday. Another week. Another morning I played London session. And then I also played New York, but really small because I already traded London.
Oh, yeah, London, I didn't. I missed that one. It was a nice long. Yeah, I've been having a bit of a technical issue with my trade copier, so I'm kind of red on the day. And one account green.
Gotcha.
But funded account break even, I would say. And then I have 2 funded reds, which I was just testing my trade copier. I don't know what's up with it, but yeah. It was like doing opposite of what I was trying to do, and I was like, that's not right.
Yeah, that's weird. I usually do for the London Open, because I'm on West Coast. London Open is like midnight for me. So
Right.
I'll wake up or just stay up late. And I mean, literally, if we're opening above midnight open, I'm bearish. If we're opening below midnight open, I'm bullish. It's an 80% chance we rebalance to it. I just play that every night. And if there's a move to it, sometimes you open up and you're right at midnight open and there's no move, you know. But if we have room to it, I always try and play that.
That's West Coast midnight or East Coast?
West Coast midnight.
Okay,
You
gotcha.
mark out, well, the midnight open price is East Coast.
Yeah, yes.
But when I'm, you know, the time I'm trading is midnight my time.
Yeah. Which is 8 a.m. London, because it's 8 hours ahead we are. Yeah, we're 8 hours ahead and then 5 hours ahead of New York.
So yeah, it has an 80% chance in London, and then in New York it has a 70% chance, which you can see we hit it again. That's why I continued to play short. I just had this breakaway gap short that I played because I missed any entries up here. I just didn't have anything super clear up here. The only thing you maybe could have entered on that I saw was this inversion, but it's just, it was sloppy.
Yeah, I saw that. It was a bit choppy. It was
just
like,
sloppy, you know? I didn't like it. So I waited.
That breakdown was nice. I completely missed it. I was trying to manage my options.
Yeah, I waited for this puppy because I love breakaway gaps, to be honest, because it's just so simple for risk. I know we shouldn't tap into this, so I just use this for value gap as my entry. It's when you have 2 stacks for value gaps like that. And,
yeah, I was so
you shouldn't trade into 50% retracement of that gap. So I took it, and I was still okay with taking it because technically in terms of premium and discount, this is 50% of the entire range. Technically, anywhere, if I'm looking to short, anywhere above 50%, right at it is okay. Anything significant, like, you know, actually really trading below it, it's just not viable because you're trading more in a discount, so it's not as viable. But so I did get the short right basically out there. It just still wasn't as good of an entry as I would have wanted. But
yeah, now we have the sweet pies here. Now we're just grinding.
What's up, Joe?
How we doing?
Doing good. Happy Monday.
It's a beautiful Monday, dude.
I should have got out of my short and just went long. Midnight open.
I was 10 minutes too early on the long. I got in at 11. I've tried on 10 minute. I got in on the 11:30 bar. Stopped out on the 11:41. Did exactly what I wanted.
Look at that. 30% off Tradify accounts using code WOLF or our link that is posted in the chat. Take advantage, guys. We just talked about Clear Edge Automation, which you guys can get a 2-week free trial for. That link is on the Wolf X trading timeline. You guys already got that. But then you can go, and if you want to try it out on a brand new account, use code WOLF, and you can get a 30% off Tradify account. Perfect. So the only money you spent so far is the Tradify account. It's beautiful.
Projected 650s again. Nice one. Yeah, after that first L, that was my gains on the day. So ended the day I locked out. Yeah.
Sorry, I'm texting. Give me a second.
You're good.
Welcome to the lunch trading hour on Wolf Financial. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell, guys, and save 30% on all prop firms with Wolf.
Yes.
Oh, David, welcome to the Wolf Pack.
David
Let's
just became
go.
a member of the Wolf Pack. Let's go, baby.
Let's go, David.
Appreciate you.
We love that. Shout out to all the people joining the Wolf Pack, becoming channel members. We love to see it. You guys can, if you want to use the emojis, you can if you're a member. So, little incentive to become a member there. I think we're going to do some in the future as well. Some, member only live streams probably, but I just don't know exactly what we want to do for that yet. So, it's still in the works. Maybe we do like some back testing sessions with Ace for members or something like that.
That'd be sick.
Could be fun. Educational streams. Maybe we give it to like members as a live stream, and then everybody that's not a member can watch it as a video after, something like that. We can work in little fun things like that. So, who's here? Casey's here. Casey, what's up,
He's just
baby? Look, he's just kicking back. He's just all
He's like
model-like.
disappeared into his sign.
What a great move back up.
Dude, I really should have longed. Gosh.
Oh no.
This isn't a long. This is me exiting short. I should have just longed it.
I sold the low, got out of all the shorts literally on SPX and IWM, and then the second I hit that target, I should have flipped it long.
I know, we all should have.
Amazing.
Shoulda, woulda, coulda.
The 3 best traders ever.
Yep.
Shoulda, coulda, woulda.
Wait.
I'm long Meta. I'm long XOM. And God help me, I'm short Visa.
He's like,
dude,
God help me.
I lose on Visa 90% of the time I trade it.
I think I've only lost on Visa as well. Maybe one earnings play I made some money. I think I pretty much only lost though.
That's looking good though, Casey. I got a level at 33693 on the daily. Algo's bearish. That thing looks like new lows.
I'm waiting for this thing to finally just crack down on the weekly, if it can get this flush. It's been in a squeeze since on the weekly since Monday, the 28th of July.
Yeah, she looks like
it's been completely sideways, and now a lot of things are leaning and showing me bearish signals. So I'm thinking I can get this squeeze, break this low, and get a decent move downside, hopefully to 320.
Yeah, the weekly is barely hanging in there, still above the 50 MA for me.
Yeah.
We'd love to see that sweep break down. 3-month lows of 328.12. 334.17 needs to completely snap and close under on a daily, ideally, for swings.
Yup.
I finish.
Oh, Ian, appreciate you.
I'll be able to show you guys some cool stuff.
I'm just waiting to see if NQ wants to take out these highs at the S or not.
Yeah, it's kind of just that lunch grind, right?
Yeah. Yeah, who swung calls with M?
I took some call spreads and then, closed them out pretty much now already.
Let's see, David. Yeah, I know they were mentioning the double distribution setup.
I will have to wait. Let the chart show you. Don't guess.
Back up the truck. Got a little bit of a change in the state of delivery here. And then this will be
Got like 2 minutes for another 15 minutes accounts to close. Looks like indecision though, so be careful.
Yeah, watch here.
Nuts.
Wait, now it's working. Yeah, I got a 5-minute hanging man there on SPY and possibly one on Qs.
I have resistance across the board on all three names, SPY, Q, and IWM right here.
Yeah, I'm actually watching the same thing. I am short on Qs. And I'm actually, maybe, I was thinking about doing another call spread, but I don't know if I'm going to do that.
Thing is, VIX is just chill, so Apple's chilling, flat.
I wonder.
Yeah, gold is ripping. Yeah.
I wonder if this becomes a breakaway gap here.
Wonder if it becomes what?
I wonder if we trade into this or not here. Let's see.
Although silver has been outperforming gold today.
That'd be
FYI,
nice.
guys.
Yep.
So if we're super bullish here, I expect us to.
Yes.
Hold.
I'm not super bullish, but like if the market's super bullish, I expect us to respect this. At most, we maybe wick into this, but
We just
That's a discount.
basically tap the 90 made there.
yeah. It's just a little far. This is on 15-minute. I usually do these breakaway gaps on a lower time frame, and so it's I'm a little like, I don't know, to be honest. But I'll watch it. What I do know is for a fact, if we're getting under this, it's not good for bulls. If we're getting back under this midline here, this midpoint. Not what you want to see. Because again, same look on a 15-minute was here on a 1-minute, just in reverse. Delete this to make it easier, but it's the same thing. Let me put that back. Same thing, breakaway gap gets formed. You have two stacked fair value gaps. How do you know which one is going to trade into? Well, when you have two stacked fair value gaps and it's going in the direction of the draw, we should respect the first one at most. Tap into the second one, but respect the midpoint. So that's where your short can be to that midnight open. But on a 15-minute chart, obviously your risk is way different. Also, time of day and placement in terms of premium and discount, I just don't think it's an amazing look, but see what they want to do. Yeah, imagine buying Disney at the same price today that's traded for the last 10 years. It's rough.
Yeah.
Retire on dividends in the
Yeah,
chat.
isn't-
Happy Green Day.
Even isn't Starbucks the same price it was back then?
Is Nas here?
No, he's
in the
not.
there he is. I just
Dang
have him
it.
hidden, but his audio's here.
What a loser. If he was here, I'd tell him he should look at XOM on the daily.
Dude, XOM.
And the weekly. Mainly the weekly. But look
Oh.
at the daily.
Mm,
Dude,
looking
this
like you, baby.
this squeeze
Well,
has been going on since fucking April.
Oh no, that's
Like-
looking like you, baby.
Like freaking
Getting
send
ready.
this thing. Oh my
Uh,
god.
I could see XOM going to about like 120, another $2 pretty freely.
What that I have?
Yeah, what's the date?
20s.
Welcome to ASMR trading
Wait a second.
with Knots and Casey. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button. What a bell.
No. I'm gonna take 120s eventually in my main account, but on the small account challenge today, I took 118s.
Okay.
So
Well,
looking for 118s to go in the money, and then if it could start the breakout, I'll probably buy December 19 120s.
I just got December 19, 120s.
Colin says, squeeze me, daddy.
Oh yes,
Do you guys like this trading?
I do. It's nice and quiet.
He says he's got the chills. Smash that like button, guys. We love you.
Goosebumps.
Smash it.
It's giving Casey goosebumps. Yeah.
Now it's whispered, now it's went smash.
Just tap it.
I want to smash Casey.
Oh yes, dude, anytime.
Let's see. here.
Oh shit.
Let me see. Where the fuck did I do?
Let's go look at the sectors today. What's popping? It's a brand new whip just hopped in. XLK absolutely freaking leading this market. No surprise there, like by a long shot.
Yeah.
After that, you have XLY.
And then XLC, XLI, XLB.
The
Your reds, bonds.
XLP, consumer staples, is the relative weakness.
Yes.
So let's go look at XLY. Let's go look at the technicals. Last 1 hour has been a strong buy.
BA red, UNH red.
Still sitting at the same high. Spikes using IWM. Let's go see.
I think UNH doesn't stop drilling until at least 307.80. 50% retracement of this range.
Amazon Tesla. Let's go look at Mickey D's. No. TJ. Something. Ooh, that chart. Really nice. I should have entered into that. What? Last Tuesday.
Oh, there goes NQ, new high day.
MBIS turned into a core long. It's looking
Watch-
good. It's just needs that next leg up, but nice consolidation.
Watch TJX. One of the
TJ?
top holding
No,
TJX. Yeah, it had a beautiful reversal Tuesday, November 4th. It's about to make me 52-week highs.
Yeah.
It's one of the top holdings in XLY, which is the second largest sector today. But that low right down there is a morning star, and it should be right off the daily 50 moving averages and just right back to the highs. Looks like it wants to take it soon.
Oracle calls.
I got that on watch too. If it can maybe do something decent, but not yet.
I don't like it yet.
It filled the gap and it is at support, but there's no buyer stepping in yet.
Yeah.
There's no signs of life at this support yet.
Spy
Meta's
still
about to
holding
make
that
a new
anchor
high day.
VWAP.
Fucking do it, Meta.
That means I got to run a new anchored VWAP to this low. Where's
Someone said
anchored VWAP?
Home Depot, 1 hour morning star. You are correct. That can be a good one. I'm not allowed to trade Home Depot anymore, but it looks good.
Oh,
No more
Coinbase came
deep
down.
dive.
What's this? I don't need that.
My Discord banned me from trading Home Depot, so I'm not allowed to trade anymore.
Oh, L's.
It's a tricky one to trade.
It's a swing only with time, and it's
Yeah.
thing with Home Depot. It's all about timing with Home Depot as well. That's the hardest thing is just timing your entry on Home Depot.
Y'all in the chat. Oh gosh.
Casey insider trading.
Double
HD.
break IB. Yeah, we saw double break, which only happens 20-something% of the time.
Oh hell, you can put people in timeout.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I like the
You need a
authority.
timeout, baby.
I like
Yeah.
the authority.
Jeez.
Dude, that IWM was beautiful.
Dude, downside, straight to target, and then upside was I honestly enjoyed the price action today, both directions.
It was
Calls,
great.
puts, futures, options, like everything. I love the price actions that we
Yeah.
had so far.
It was solid price action this morning.
Maybe we'll put our boy Tyreek in timeout.
Oh my
Oh
gosh.
man, is he back?
I hope so. He owes me a super chat.
Ah. So yeah, this got respected. Never had to trade into here. Let her cruise. Vic's only at 17. It's not too bad.
What was that?
Oh. debating on either continuing to grow my beard to look like Emp or just taking it all off later today.
You guys not doing Movember?
No shave November.
I'm definitely shaving.
It's just starting to
I
get
shaved
a little
yesterday.
crazy.
Emp's like the beard gang.
Beard gang.
Can't have two Emps. Impossible.
Yeah, Emp's beard. Like, I feel like if I grew like my beard even longer, it would just grow out and not down.
It's quite the maintenance, you know. You gotta groom it and everything.
I know.
Make it soft.
I ain't trying to do all that shit. That Visa new low of day. Ooh, while the market's going higher, Visa's saying nah, new low. I love to see it. Hitting previous day low here. Let me set an alert for pre-market high break on XOM. Those calls will get close to getting in the money. Thoughts on Apple calls this week? Dude, Apple's 4-hour chart is disgusting. The daily chart is even more disgusting. I honestly would short the shit out of it, but it's holding the daily 9, but look at every single upper wick that it's had over the last few trading sessions on the daily.
This looks gross, yeah.
Yeah, and the 4-hour is ugly.
But it can... It's just not giving me any delivery from anywhere short.
Yeah.
Just,
I have no reason. I don't really have a reason to go short, but I don't have a reason to go long.
yeah.
It's just no touch for me. But just looking at the daily chart where it's currently sitting at, if I gun to my head had to do something, I'd short it first.
Yeah. What's up, Evan?
Yo. What's up,
The
guys?
boys here.
What
You
is that?
drinking?
What is that?
What's up?
Core weave. I do like core weave off $100 cycle level. It did get a nice push to 110, and it's back to the midpoint at 105. Could be something, could be nothing.
Amp went 740.
On meta, I agree.
He meant thank you, but
Send it.
Yeah.
Send it.
I don't know. I have 77650. This is on the 4-hour time frame, and then back to 823 area. Well, 800 would be the real test, but not today. Maybe tonight.
No, I heard the same thing, Amp. Little birdie told me he was going to buy max allocation using Code Wolf. I don't know if that birdie was lying or not.
Evan, you started futures account?
Shout out Code Wolf. I did, and then I blew it all on the first day because what the? I was like, trade went against me. I didn't cut it. I was like, all right, we'll let it ride.
Oh my
Yeah, it doesn't work that way.
shit.
Famous words, yeah.
Let me help you. I'll help you.
Walmart 30-minute reversal off the low. Morning star. Love to see that. I would have taken that thing earlier. It still looks good.
On is the bottom of this. Taking out these weekly lows.
I tried it a while ago.
I mean, if you love the company, the dip it's a beautiful dip. You're almost getting a 50% dip on it. I think you could sweep these lows and try and bounce and hold, but you need to see sweep and price action, which you are right now. But just been relatively weak there. You need some sort of catalyst to get it going. Still just cruising.
Sometimes I do things so wrong that it's right.
Anyone know how to find the strategies once you have clear edge set up? If you got one of the plans with the strategies, it should have you claim the strategies right there within the app into your trading view, Tommy, for clear edge. Did you see the flow coming in on AVG? Oh, I did not. I could take a look though.
Someone did just buy some on $36 calls for 1114, $500,000.
Let me get my flow all logged in here and take a look.
Meta, more calls coming in. 640s, 1121. Call flow on rigatoni. Oh, Visa. Dump candle. Holy shit, I'm green. I don't think I've ever been green on a Visa trade.
3 million on 390s for AVGO. What the fuck?
I'm gonna set an alert for 333.85. Visa.
It's a big premium on the $36 calls. 4 days out.
Rigatoni. A higher low morning star, 1 hour. Not bad. Ooh, little intraday cup and handle action right here.
If you just go to the Wolf Trading timeline and just scroll down, there should be here. Make this big and easy to see. I can do this on the computer too, but that link right there should be able to just click that link and then it'll take you, it'll apply it at checkout. There's not going to be anywhere that really says it. It'll just apply it to the checkout.
Damn, finding highs.
Tommy, if you can't find them on TradingView, they should be in your indicators here. And then invite only. You should have like a clear edge balance. You should have all your strats here. Found it. Good. It's not in the indicator list. Interesting. Maybe it needs a second to like update after claiming them. I'm not exactly sure.
Even close your trading view and open it.
Yeah. And DX entering in a gap fill. Let's go. Yeah, probably a little overloaded. Yeah, with all the inflow of people trying to download it. It's probably what it is. Yeah, just give it a little bit. The grind up. You mark this out.
Where's SPX? Third targeting
brother.
68.45 area on SPX.
Seems like my trading view pricing is like a second or two delayed when compared to the options chain on Robinhood.
Yep.
You might have delayed data. Got to make sure you have updated data on TradingView there. If you don't pay for it, then you don't have it, because that is something you have to pay for. It's cheap, but you do have to pay for it. Yeah, tomorrow banks are closed, but market is open. Most likely
$3
slow
a
grind
month.
higher. Is it $3 a month? Is that what it is? Yeah.
For the real time NYSE ARCA data, it's $3.
You're paying more for an option contract, like.
Yeah.
That
Minimum,
is
what you should have.
that's the round trip commission, dude. You're right.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm telling you, like, fuck Robinhood, man. It's the reason why you get terrible fills and shit over on Robinhood.
They sell your order.
Yup. They're like, oh, they don't charge me no commissions. That's fine. They're gonna make their money elsewhere. You just don't notice it.
Yeah, free has a price to pay, guys, in trading. Pay up to play up in this market.
The way that works is that when you hit buy for something, they'll literally route your order, and what'll happen is some large institutions, whatever, will see that before you get filled, buy what you want at a lower price it is right this moment, and sell it to you and make a half a cent on each share, each trade, whatever, maybe a full penny, and they'll do that for millions of billions of trades every day.
That's why we need Aries opened up. I agree with you, Ghost. It's common.
Yup.
I may have gotten off an interesting call. It wasn't with Aries, fortunately, yet. Maybe soon, but it was one that maybe could be fun.
We like interesting calls. We like those.
Hopefully, it's one we enjoy.
Yeah. Grinding.
Go. Take this bad boy down. Sell it all. XOM new highs. Pre-market high test here. Alert just went off. See if it can pop up here. Get these 118s in the money.
118s.
Let me see if they're up enough for me to.
I'm at $4 million because of Casey.
Let's fucking go.
What? I didn't get the memo, guys.
I called it out here live on Wolf Trading X or YouTube.
I'm so sorry.
Why is that cooked? That's why.
Cooking. Mama. God, I think it's hilarious that Everly will say that after I say cooking up dope in the crock pot. Mom. And she just goes, oh.
That's too funny.
Yeah, she'll just be in the living room. I'll be in the kitchen. I'll be like, Everly, cooking up dope in the crock pot. She just goes, oh.
That's awesome.
You taught her right.
I taught her another one. I think she's setting up another small Christmas tree right now. I'll see if I can bring her in here. But I taught her another one too. I tell her, I'll be like, Everly, so fresh. She goes, so clean. Everly, so fresh, so clean. That's what she'll say. Oh.
They grow up so fast.
Yeah, I know.
I just said that today to Casey.
Twins will be 2 in 6 days already.
Holy cow.
And
2.
then I know Everly will be 4 in 3 weeks. DGT. Ooh, right off a 90 today. Retest and nice recovery. Looking good. 1 hour is about to close a reversal signal. Fuck yeah, that looks good. There was some flow in Costco calls earlier this morning. Costco just hit support 910 on the 1 hour and 4 hour, and it's clear as day, getting a nice curl up as well. But got resistance right here at 90.85 on TGT, but that 1 hour higher low with the morning star off of it, yeah. That's a bad mamma jamma right there.
Here we go.
Let me get
There we
this.
go. We got Nara up here. What's up, Nara?
What's going on, guys?
Yo,
Ladies, I don't know
What's
who else is
up?
here. Joe, how are you? How are you doing, Joe?
Lovely dude. How you been?
Doing well. Hope you're feeling better.
Thank you. I am.
I just got short, guys.
Yeah. Double distribution play.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
It's not that clean, but clean enough. Sort of flattening out here a little bit. We're back under that previous high from NQ from sort of the opening range this morning, the initial balance. So I would love to see ES at least come back to the opening range at 34, so 10 points. That would be lovely.
I'd love to see BM&R continue to go higher. I saw the Clear Edge link in the chat. Shout out to that. Do you guys? Does it go on? I know we are in gold and some other stuff. The gold method. Are we on Ethereum or anything? Oh, geez. The guy pulls it up and does not look good on whatever time frame that was.
Someone asked something. I'm sorry.
That was me. That was Evan. No, you guys got crypto or anything on there? Bitcoin.
You can trade. You can trade whatever you want. Anything on the futures markets. There's Bitcoin futures. People trade micro Bitcoin futures. We have a couple guys that actually do that. Gold, silver, anything. Actually, we have one guy that
Been trading gold on there, right?
an opening range trade on gold, and another one that trades something on silver. I can't remember what they trade, but people do all sorts of stuff and can really make it how they want, and then they can. That's really the best part about the whole thing is if you trade one instrument, you can find a system, build a system to do exactly what you want. We actually have a guy in our Discord that will pretty much build you anything you want.
Sorry.
For not very much money. So he does a pretty good job. He's built some of our stuff.
The gold chart, Jordan, it looked interesting a little bit there. Have you been trading gold still? I didn't hear you there.
Yeah, I don't manually trade it really, but I'll let the automation do its thing, which just does it at night while I'm sleeping, which is nice to try and attack.
Is that when you're sleeping anymore, Jordan? Or are you?
Well, that's the thing. I've been up. I've just been trading NQ instead of not gold. But yeah, I have been up in the middle of the nights trading NQ. It's been nice. Maybe we need to get a strat going for that.
I have one.
I just trade to midnight open. It's an 80% chance every time we open up in London. So
XOM 118 calls in the money, taking a trim here.
No money.
Very nice. But yeah, gold's.
There's a strategy that actually a member built that I'm testing right now, and I think I've told you guys one of the things we're building is a strategy store.
Yeah,
I've actually worked on with Joe. Joe has a strategy we've been playing with a bit. A couple of different people, and one of the ones that I've been working on or playing with is a guy has a strategy. Essentially, when the market opens down, pretty much buys it. It's obviously there's lots more to it than that, but last night it had like a $8,000 or $9,000 trade off the Sunday open, and it manages risk quite well. I think it took 14 MNQ contracts last night. Yeah. It's a pretty big trade last night on that one. So there's all sorts of stuff that people build that for themselves, for others, and the possibilities are pretty endless.
See if we want to keep it selling out.
Jordan, did you take any trades today?
I did. Pretty small. So I traded the night before, but I traded to midnight open once
How
we
much are you
opened up in
sleeping right now?
London. What's
That's
that?
the important questions. How much are you sleeping right now? Are you getting your 8 hours?
No. Like, yeah, but like not through the night.
Chat, how much do you guys sleep a night? Are you guys getting your 8 hours?
10 hours.
10 hours?
You really
No way.
get 10 hours? Who said that?
This guy, no, he's lying. He's got a couple kids over there. He's
My
trading.
kids sleep for 12 hours a night every
Yeah,
single
mine
day
do.
since
Mine
they
do
were born.
too. But
Yeah.
I'm
Fuck
never. You getting 10, Casey?
Go to sleep at 10 p.m., wake up at 8 a.m. I mean, it's easy.
No, that's crazy.
That's awesome.
7?
Now, sometimes, like this morning, I got up at 6:30 because I went to the gym at 7. So I got up a little bit early.
5 max.
I've been going to bed at about like 1:30, waking up at like 5:45, 6.
Yeah, that's about what I do.
Oh, dude, that's rough.
Dude,
Yeah, I'm
no,
about
I mean,
1 a.m. and I'm up like around 6:37.
I've worked the 12-hour rotating shifts and getting 4 to 6 hours of sleep max, having to go back and do another 12 to 14 hours. I fucking hated it, and I'm getting my sleep now. I got to get caught up.
Well, you got to get
So,
caught up, and
yeah,
I'm the
I
same.
take
I'm the
advantage.
same way. I worked overnight for a long time.
Yeah, no, I'm taking advantage of it.
In my prime, I would
Hey.
like start working from 10 to 2 and get like 4 hours.
You're
and do
in
that,
your
like,
prime. In your prime, Joe. You're in your prime.
just
Don't give
weird. I
yourself-
feel
I was
like
gonna say you are. You're
Dude, you don't even know how efficient I was. I was something else. I was a thing of beauty. Right now I'm good, but right now I'm good. But
Hey,
you
guys,
gotta see
what-
me.
am I the old man on here right now? Casey might be around the same age as me, but
I'm 29.
I'm an old person.
oh no, not even close. I am the old man.
Wait, does that mean you think I look old?
No, but you have kids, so I assumed you were around my age, maybe. How old do you think I am?
I don't. I gotta zoom in. Hold on.
I gotta zoom in.
I see a little gray in the beard right there. I'm gonna go with you. Look like a young 38.
I'll take it. Thank you.
I'll take it.
Yeah, everybody liked the stream. We got 200 people watching.
Yeah,
like
I'm,
40 likes.
I just turned 40 3 weeks ago.
Oh, well, happy
Very
belated.
happy.
Molly nailed
Let's
it.
go.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
51 likes
Thank
now.
you.
Let's
Yeah,
go.
it's all downhill from here.
It's all-
I agree.
TGT's getting.
But
that
you know what?
move.
I feel a lot better at 40 than I ever felt at 30. I'll tell you that much.
Definitely agree with that one.
Taking care of yourself really changes a lot of things when you stop treating your body like crap. I still don't sleep well, but
Where's Minx? You need a quick short. She's having lunch.
you're probably I'm in a short too, Eva.
TGT. She wants it.
Why does everybody say I look like I'm over 30?
You're not old, Joe. You don't look a day over 37.
Dude, I just turned 21.
I was just gonna say you look like you're 21.
It's a beard. It's a beard.
You little gamer.
Look, yeah, dude, this is
Oh.
a gaming headset.
What I would give to be
You guys
21.
were born
again.
when I was in college.
Wow.
Well, some of you, just Jordan and Joe. Yeah, I don't know about this short. We might be going higher.
Colin got it right. Jordan actually just turned 16. He's using a what's in the Utma?
You see, Brian Dayball got fired. Ev?
Thank God.
I did.
Thank God.
Oh, garlic. You think? I don't know. I'm surprised. What's your
No.
guys' record? The Jets
Well,
have a
really,
bad
Bowen
record.
needs to be fired. Is the other thing? But
What do you want? You want to make a bet for Thursday night, Evan?
Who's playing?
Who's playing? Your team's playing. I mean, has it gotten that bad? I mean, I guess it has.
I
But
don't pay attention. Why would I pay attention? Why would I pay attention? Who are they playing?
playing my team, obviously.
Jordy just turned 16. This is correct.
No, I'm not gonna make that. But what are you talking about? You guys are favored by 11.5.
That's the line right now.
Yeah.
I mean, to be honest, division game, night game, short week. I could see the Jets covering, but I could also see them getting blown out by 40. So
Yeah, I mean, covering. I lose by 11.5. I'll take a cover. I mean, if we really want to bet on a cover, like I guess
you
I'll
want to take the Jets
11.5.
plus points?
Plus 11.5.
Yeah, I'll take the Patriots minus 11.
Give me 12.
Hey, I'll give you 11.
There goes IWM breaking that consolidation. A little bit more upside.
I mean, if the Dolphins can beat the Bills,
Oh man, what game was it that I watched yesterday? They came back in the fourth quarter,
probably against the
20
Giants.
26-0.
What?
It was in the fourth
Get
quarter.
5 big booms.
They were down, but they scored 26 points and won the game. It
in
was
the NFL yesterday.
yeah, it was.
It wasn't a straight 26. I know which game you're talking about. I can't think. Oh my God! Wait. It wasn't a straight. Hold on. Wait a second.
What game was it? Giants and Bears or Texans?
No.
Oh yeah, it was.
It was,
I think it was the Bears came back against the Giants.
No.
Yes.
No. It was the
wasn't that
Texans.
big, though.
It was the
No, it
Texans
was the
game.
Texans versus the
Yes.
Jaguars.
The Texans Jaguars. Yes. There you go.
So in the fourth quarter,
scored
freaking
26.
Jag didn't score shit. They scored 26 points. I believe it was a record for their franchise history. And then literally at the very end of it, when time was running out, when I believe Jaguars had the ball, they got an interception and
Yeah, and the fat
homeboy
man got it all the way.
yeah, big boy ran in for the touchdown and closed the
Big
game
boy.
out. That was funny. Yeah, that was a good game.
The big boy.
My
Hey,
big boy.
big boy.
Had the big boy.
Wow. My Patriots had 4 down years. Back to running the NFL again. Can't keep them down forever. Jets window. It's over.
And the Patriots fan. Going back and forth.
Let's go. TGT.
Oh, schmackied.
Schmacker.
Got the level at 50. Well, below that.
That's for
Okay.
January. Someone said Apple headline.
Oh,
Wish we had a news guy on here. Jesus.
$2
And it's his
wig.
favorite stock.
yeah, and his favorite stock.
Ooh.
The fuck is that?
I don't even see a headline.
Apple.
That's the headline. Just Apple being Apple. Apple
Headline,
does
Apple-
it again. Does what?
Apple-
Just does its thing.
Headline: Apple buys new product instead of making.
Yeah, I'm not seeing. I ain't seeing the headline.
Sure, we'll come around in a second. Is the stock even moving? Jordan, you want to pull it up?
What are we looking at? Sorry, I'm.
Apple.
Oh, I looked at
I
it.
just
Apple
It went
delaying the release
down
of the
and came
next
back
it
up.
had a
Air
$2
is
wick
what
down
he's
and
saying.
sitting here.
nothing to see here, guys. Back to business.
Yeah, he put it in the chat. Delays release of next iPhone Air. Sounds like that would probably be an industry rumor. I wonder where it's from. The information.
See the headline about the pitchers that got caught with the inside betting thing?
It's so stupid because why the hell would they? Did they make millions and millions of dollars and they want to risk it for $12K a pitch?
Dude, like,
Wait, what?
Greedy.
yeah.
Dude, they get
You just
paid
gotta
to
be
fucking
retarded.
to walk out on the field, and they're gonna do that. It's crazy.
Yeah, but it's like, I don't know.
Like,
It's
you
stupid.
literally gotta be retarded.
But this is just the start. There's going to be a lot more cases
Oh,
coming.
dude, it's everything now. It's
Yeah.
NBA, MLB. They're gonna find NFL ones.
Well, prediction markets, dude. They're about to find real life stuff.
Oh yeah.
It's like, let me go ahead and, fuck up or hit this stat next game. That way my boy can cash out his 20K bet. And then he's going to take me out to dinner and we're going to celebrate. And you're going to risk your multi-million-dollar freaking career over something like that.
It's stupid. Really stupid.
Fucking, just, I don't know. Tell him that he's a helpless child and you're donating to him and write it off on your taxes. Do something other than fucking illegal gambling or betting. Yeah, he's late. Don't worry about that tweet.
Oh, someone's supposed to come out right now?
No, people in my chat freaking posted the link to Evan's tweet about Apple.
Oh.
I said he's late. Don't worry about it. The move already happened.
It's not that late, but I mean, fair enough.
Don't worry, I got you guys.
Oh, he's
That,
back.
baby.
He's up.
I got you guys. I just stopped by to say hello. I see I just want to tell Tyreek to get dunked on. And what a great day. What a great day on
What a
stream.
great day.
What a great.
Hell yeah.
It was so crazy. I saw the corner of my eye, I saw Apple with this huge candle down, and then I finally heard the headline on the squawker.
Yeah, she got a little smacked.
Yeah, iPhone Air, who cares? Dumb idea anyway.
I know. Stupid.
They're just trying things, see what works. You're stupid.
Hey, at least they're trying something.
They're trying something.
You're stupid.
I forgot Evan was even here. I heard Evan wears Crocs.
He does.
Apparently, it's cool now. Someone put in the chat when we were talking about sleep. They get 6-7 hours max. It was a missed opportunity for Jordan.
That is a missed opportunity, damn.
What a loser.
Yeah, what a loser.
Did you see where there was a college basketball game and this girl she hit 2 free throws and made it 6-7, and there was all the local elementary kids were there watching the game, and they all just
They
freak
loved
out.
it.
They're all just the whole crowd it's a bunch of elementary kids just going like this.
Spazzing out.
Dude, it was pretty funny.
Absolute brain rot.
I'm kind of tired of it, but
I'm tired of it,
like
but
a
it's
thousand
funny.
elementary kids just sitting there just doing like this because the score, and it was like a blowout too. It was like 67 to like 45 or something like
That's
that.
too
So like they
funny,
were looking for
gosh.
anything to be excited about at that game, women's college basketball game, and they just
That's awesome,
too
dude.
funny. Gosh.
yeah,
I'll be right
it was
back.
funny.
I'm grabbing Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Nice, dude.
Probably
Sounds
going
bomb
to take
right
these
now.
TGT $95 calls for 11/21 expiration.
Oh my god.
Tarjay.
I'm about to have to roll out for the day. Take the kids to play with the grandparents.
Oh, that's right. Famine Town.
Yeah, they're leaving tomorrow, so I gotta take advantage of this afternoon.
Yeah. Go do your thing.
We're gonna take advantage of it with some profit.
I'm a bit concerned about the new kids being raised because they've been brought up in all things tech. Everything's almost given to them information-wise or readily available. Bit scary. Take them out in the nature and woods, I think, is a good thing. Bit of balance.
I'd have to agree.
I'm gonna homeschool my kids.
Yeah. Just life skills, really, you know? Because we used to play with, like, kids down the street, you know what I'm saying? Ride the bikes.
There's no chance in hell I would never homeschool.
He's like, get
I'm
them out.
I'm not the one.
Not as a trader working from home.
Yeah, I mean,
No,
I'm not.
you're going to be listening to them all day long.
I do that now, and it doesn't really.
No way.
I mean, yeah. Essentially, it's
That's
the
why you
same thing now.
soundproof.
You could double the price of private school. I'm still sending them.
No, you got to put them on a fucking
Tell the
boat
school
like we
that.
left Zach and Cody.
That ain't my problem.
All right, team, I'm out of here.
Peace, brother.
Later,
I'll
Gator.
check in
Alright,
in the chat.
Appreciate you, sir.
Have a great one.
I'm excited to get for you to see your Code Wolf tattoo we talked about.
Code Wolf tattoo. That would be gnarly. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, guys. If you're new here, welcome. This is our slow lunch segment. We're just consolidating up here on NQ.
I need video
Yeah.
picture proof of Jordan coming back with some CTC, or else
Oh.
I'm gonna get a little upset.
At CTC, I thought you said CTE for a second. I was like, where is he going, bro? I thought he was getting serious.
Cinnabons. Cinnabons.
Jordan,
Play
show-
football for the Giants.
Let's see.
The question is, did you make one?
The question is also, do you guys take when you eat cereal? Do you like a little crunchy, or do you like to wait for it to get soggy and stuff? I like to eat it.
Nah, minimal milk. Minimal milk.
Indeed. Minimal milk, nice and crunchy. Yep.
Not too crunchy, medium for me. Can't be soggy either.
Medium rare cereal.
Medium rare, medium rare cereal, please.
I mostly agree.
Let's go, XOM. Just keep on chugging. You know you want 120.
Well, how long are we gonna screw around on Tesla before we take these all-time highs? I mean, it's been a minute.
That chart looks messy.
I know. Minx cooks her cereal. Well done. You guys know balls on Tesla? Yeah, that's why Tesla's like 60% of my long term. Yeah. I got no balls. I'm riding it. I just want it to move.
Oh,
You know what also? Everyone's just from the YouTube chat. There's only like 1 or 2 of people in here. Shout out 007 posting in here. But X chat, anyone on there? You guys just all lurking. There's equally as many people watching on X as YouTube.
All lurking.
Just lurking, chilling, vibing.
that's what happens on it.
Police chasing
You're
Brentwood.
following Wolf Trading channel. The only way you see this on X is if you're following the channel, really. Then it shows up at the top of your timeline.
Let's go, Ricardo. Shout out to you, brother.
There we go, Pablo. Shout out Pablo. Sup?
Oh, Pablo's in the X chat. All right.
Hemp is still watching. This guy said he's gone. 81C said from X. Tommy said still in the X chat, probably. Ricardo gave you some hearts. He wants to go paintballing with you, Jordan.
I forgot about that, dude.
You're muted. You're munching on the CTC. Didn't want us to hear it. I get it.
Paintballing's the best activity, you know.
So much fun.
Nice cardio.
Dropping the
Tactics.
W.
UNH is cooked. So this 50% comes into play, then maybe we get something there. This whole trade, though, fizzling out.
Holding 650.
Oh, you were listening to the small cap space. How was the drones one? Was it interesting? I know they talk about different small cap. Pro fast guy, shout out. But you're a big YouTube chat guy. You probably just went over.
Oh, Minxie's here. Sell
Hi,
it
guys.
all.
Oh, dump it.
Fuck.
Oh, rug this shit.
Literally wicking now. This candle's wicking now. Gosh.
I came on here because I heard that I like my cereal well done.
Yeah, I'm sure you do.
You guys are too funny.
Any of y'all snowboard? I went snowboarding for my first time this year. It was fun, which is crazy because like I grew up skateboarding, surfing, doing all that. So you'd think I'd snowboard, but never did. Do now.
Jordan's a prime snowboarding candidate, I feel like.
Yeah, I had fun. I did good. I like almost broke my arm, but you know, we're all right.
Live and learn.
We're all good.
Ricardo, Andy, shout out to you. Ep was like F y'all longs.
I'll leave. I just wanted to stop by and say hi.
Yeah,
Maybe
you're
the
good,
big
Nancy.
steer.
Glad you stopped by.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
We appreciate
Gotcha.
you.
Bye,
We can go
Minx.
now.
See ya. Bye.
Or what's
No,
it-
don't close your longs. No. We're gonna go up. I'll leave.
Take out, is this a huge pop? This is what you call a bear trap.
How does she do it?
Ripping new highs.
Damn. This is my BMNR. 2.9. Okay. Switch to this.
Ripper. Let's go lift. Ooh. Lyft is having a really, really good day. New 52-week high. Mm-hmm.
You muted, Jordan. Oh wait, you weren't even talking. I was looking at the other thing.
Pablo asked if do you prefer that we watch on YouTube? I don't know. I think it's just a better experience. But no, you guys can watch wherever you want. I'd say maybe I do a little bit, but I don't care that much. Jordan's probably went downstairs to put away the CTC.
I was looking on the YouTube chat. It was delayed and he was talking.
Sometimes on YouTube, you also have to, like, it will take you off live randomly. So when you hear this, go in and check if you're live. Scroll over, and if the live button, if it has a red circle next to it, if not, you're not live. Yeah, I would say that the chat is definitely better on YouTube. It's not even close.
TGT 91 break. You'd want to see this hourly candle get continuation closer to 91.50, but it could have a pit stop around. I mean, there's little resistance right here, but if you can get above right here, 91.30, it's a nice move upside.
Still ripping it.
Mm-hmm.
Keep her cooking. You bulls are welcome. I kicked her off. Yeah, thanks, Amp. Oh, Amp just gifted 5 memberships, baby.
Bang, bang.
Let's go.
Bang.
W.
Let's go.
You know, I do prefer channel memberships to the donations a little bit. I feel like it's just like you get more out of it.
I think it's cool. Yeah, I like it better too. You definitely get more out of it, I feel like.
If you guys listen, don't buy a channel membership if you're thinking about anything or whatever. Like, just do it if you really want to. But if you do it, well, make sure you do it on web, not mobile. On mobile, Google, Apple takes a 30% cut. So
Yeah, it's gonna be more expensive. And Impetus
Oh,
with the
and
$5
Impetus.
super chat, baby.
Super chat.
Super chat. I can't wait till we have a soundboard for everything. Oh gosh, it's gonna be cool. Besides, no feet pics. We don't get those.
Settle down.
Only on the OF. Only on the OF.
Just write just write in the Slack in the entire chat, Jordan. Just say, "I wish I had a soundboard."
Only on the order flow, baby.
Type it where?
In the like Slack somewhere in there. And type, just do it. Trust.
Yeah.
Mewing on OnlyFans. Jordan, I dare you. If we get to 100 channel members, you will do a stream of you just mewing for like 10 minutes straight. That's it.
I mean, I'm mewing all day.
What if I told
All
you
He's
day
a
I'm
pro,
mewing.
dude.
Where's-
It's just tongue placement. Like that's all mewing is. But
What did you just say?
mewing is just tongue placement.
What are we talking?
By the way, I have no clue what you guys are talking about.
Are we still talking about mewing?
Trying to manage a trade on my phone, and all I hear is Jordan say something about tongue placement. I'm like, this is
What are we
10,000
doing?
subscribers, I will drop the Looks Maxing course for everybody. Okay,
Jordan, you've also been promising this hot tub stream for a long time.
dude.
I think it's ever been done.
That
want
is
a hot tub
true.
stream
It's
so
been over
bad.
a year now and a bit.
Dude.
Wait, you guys? He didn't invite you to that? You guys didn't see it? Just me? I was the only one?
We had that on private.
Yeah, no, you guys missed out.
Jordan's OF will just be jawlines and bullish stock.
Just jawlines and fair value gaps. That's
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Oh, that's hilarious, dude.
You guys are funny.
You know what Charles is gonna say? He's gonna say, "I wish Jordan would turn on his notifications for Slack." Oh gosh. Oh, you got AI note receipts? Jordan's a boss level mewer. What? Just know, like, any kid on TikTok that's like, oh, dude, Mew and your jawline's gonna change. He's lying to you. You are the method, okay? You're the method.
Oh yeah, happy birthday to any of our U.S. Marines out there for the 250th birthday of the United States Marine Corps. So shout out to you guys.
Let's go.
Amen, baby.
Why is that not the Google thing for the day?
Dude, type.
We're 50 subs away from 2K subscribers. So, on my channel, the whole thing was I was gonna hit 4,000 subscribers and do a 24-hour live stream, and then I stopped streaming. So, we're probably gonna have to run that back at some point on here.
What's the number? What are we doing a 24-hour live stream?
I did it for 4K. That was my account. But hold on, I need water.
You know what? Also, there's some number Emp was showing me of like how many of you guys have the bell button hit too, so you get notifications when we go live. It's a large percentage. 24-hour live stream, NVIDIA earnings.
Yeah, we could do that.
NVIDIA earnings is a week from Wednesday. So maybe if we get over like 2.5 might not be reachable.
SEDG having a really, really good day. More calls just came in for January 16, 2026. About 2.3 million at the ask.
Agwa's been acquired. Jordy's sleep stream? I'd watch Jordy sleep? What the fuck are we doing? What? What?
Dude, it went downhill since you were talking about tongue placement.
I can confirm. The Huz has subscribed to the Wolf Trading YouTube. So you better be.
The Huz. Don't refer to me as the Huz. Excuse me.
Who is that?
Oh gosh, that's too funny.
What's going on, Bad Dale?
If y'all stream one night during Asia, you'll get 200 subs. How about I just stream me trading London? Okay, I'll trade Asia, but we have to have a very specific gap for me to trade Asia. But I will, because that gap play has even higher odds of any midnight open getting hit in London or New York. So I'm willing to play it.
How many trades do you take during London?
One.
Just one, yeah.
Like, I mean, I might take 2 losses or something and then like get another one because the win rate on it's so high or something. But
like it's one concept. Like I know what you mean. Yeah. One model. Cool.
Yeah, I'm not sitting there trying to like trade all morning. It's just I know for a fact London opens 3 a.m. Eastern. We have an 80% of chance of rebalancing the midnight open. So I'm just like, okay, knowing that, I'm not going to blindly just buy it or sell it, of course, but you can use the forever model. I just use the concepts that I trade, to kind of find my entry points. Sometimes it's a forever model. Sometimes it's just like, there's multiple different entry models that you can use in terms of like ICT concepts, but like I'll use a breakaway gap entry model. Sometimes there's multiple ways to do it. Jordan's definitely a little spoon.
Your chat is
bro, why you gotta out me like that, bro? Why don't you stream London? I mean, because it's midnight my time, and I'm just like.
I'll stream London with you, Jordy.
Yeah, that could be fun. I mean, honestly.
Yeah.
I just haven't thought to stream London because I'm by myself. I'm usually just like chilling, nothing going on. I'm just taking a little trade, going to sleep.
I wonder if Kareem is Emp's alt account.
Might be. Nimrod asks, Jordan, can you explain again which gap you're trading? So if I'm trading Asia, which is rare, it's going to be the gap from futures close to futures open. So futures close at 2? Yeah, my time. So 5 p.m. Eastern, and they open back up at 6 p.m. Eastern. That gap that gets created when price closes and then opens up has a, I'll show you right now. Hold on. So you go over to edge full, gap fill, go down to the gap fill, and change the session to those times. You can see whether we gap up or down, it's an over 90% chance pretty much. 89% on the gap up, 97% chance we fill if we gap down, which makes sense in the bullish market we've been in. So, if the gap's there, I'll try and trade that, but there's a lot of the time where we don't get that gap.
Jordan, you should check out the new clear edge gap fill strategy.
Yeah. No, definitely. I'm setting that up
pretty
soon.
much does just this.
Well, this is a different gap. This is a different gap, actually. But that gap is, I know what you're talking about. This one's different, though. This is just the futures close to futures open, like after hours. But that one is fire, too. You hear AMP every day. We're talking about those NDX gaps. We're using those as gap fills as well. This is the midnight open data that I use for everybody that's been wondering. So New York session for MNQ. These are the odds. And then London session, decently higher. So I've been trading London with it a lot. And that's just to rebalance to midnight open. So every night, I just 9 o'clock my time, I get midnight open. I just go and mark that. And then essentially, too, I'm able to use that going into New York session every morning as well. I know for a fact, if we're opening above midnight open, I'm bearish. Simple as that. Like, that obviously I have other ways of finding my bias as well that add to that, but I can simply just show up and say, oh, we're opening above midnight open, I'm bearish. I know it because there's such a high chance we rebalance to that every given day. It's even better if you're above 8:30 open. So to me, that's what I would call a tier 2 short or a tier 2 setup, which is the best setup you can have in this type of opening price where you have price opening above 8:30 open and above midnight open. If we weren't above 8:30 open, it would just be a tier 1 setup to midnight open. So very high odds on that, but higher in London. That's why I've been waking up all late or all early, I guess. And then the NDX gaps, of course, like Nara was saying, we're using those every single day because those gaps on this bigger time frame on the actual index itself, way better to use. So you can see all the boys been targeting this gap here. That's why EMP is looking, I don't know exactly what level you were looking for, EMP. I forget. But I assume it's this gap fill, 620, maybe even into up here potentially, but.
Jordan sleeps on a day bed. What exactly does that mean?
Oh, EMP makes fun of my day bed.
I had the same question, Evan. I'm glad that you asked.
Oh. So this is for Asia, and it is London. No. How do I explain this a little simpler?
No, lift is ripping.
Can you lift me higher? Dude, Rivian is 2. Rivian's now my best performing stock on the day.
Rivian's been killing it.
Rivian
It has.
I'm up like 26% on it or something.
It literally has.
Is it high?
Microsoft looks great.
Yeah, so there's 2 different setups I run Nimrod for like the after hours trading, and it's if we, from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern, if we get a big gap there, I'm looking to potentially play that because it has about a 90% chance, over a 90% chance of filling. And then aside from gaps, every night at midnight, we open up price. And like price opens a new candle, right? And so that opening price I mark, and essentially that I can use going into every morning. Now, of course, I use my other levels. What? No, go ahead, Joe. Go ahead.
I didn't notice that his name was Nimrod. I was like, damn.
No. You're like, damn, why are you being so harsh? And of course, like we can use Asia, London, all those other levels to help us like form our bias with midnight open. But
yeah, Jordan is a pretty mean guy, might I say.
I'm so mean. Midnight PST? No, midnight Eastern. My chart's always Eastern times here, so all Eastern.
Jordan's very nice. Now, does he maybe throw his phone away every day and then come back at like 9 o'clock and not check it until then? Yeah, sometimes. Mm-hmm. But besides that, great.
I see. Yeah.
Who's this little one?
Little Grommet.
Little Grommet, what?
Little Grommet.
You say hi? Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
We should get like some like the kids trading against each other.
Now that would be cool.
Oh man, can we bet?
Can we bet on our shit on all the different kids?
Isn't that how 2008 happened? Kind of.
Probably. Yeah, pretty much.
Gosh dang, Lyft has a gap to $30.
I'm in it, dude. I'm in it. I'm in it for a little bit.
Holy shit.
Can you lift me higher?
Spy cues, everything cruising.
Ooh, video wants 200 maybe again today.
Can I have one? Have one. Thank you.
How far are we going? Rip. Where are we going to? Oh, we're trying to probably. What am I doing?
This part of the stream is just. I'm a fan of the stream. I don't want to say what I was gonna say, but it's a good time. This is a good time.
I think we're just
Like
gonna
a
seek out these relative equal highs, honestly. Jeez.
I'll be back in like 30 minutes.
Oh, that's right. No.
My man's hungry.
Just gotta make some videos.
Stomach still needs to be filled somehow.
Oh.
It's gonna make some cheesy videos.
Mm-hmm. It ain't easy being cheesy.
Like those car walks.
What happened?
You're just gonna do one of your walking videos, but
no, I can't really do those. I mean, I could. I don't want to.
Dude, I love a good knots walking video, bro. I'm scrolling Instagram.
The ACL is getting there, but not ready for that yet.
That's honestly been one of my favorite parts of the day is when I scroll
be
a little Instagram and I just see knots.
I'm gonna get some
by that
winter ones
bridge,
going.
you know?
I'm gonna be in like a winter wonderland out there.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are gonna be some wild ones, but we'll get them going.
Thank you.
I'll be right back.
Open has been strong. Yeah, it has.
Mm-hmm.
was that to M's comment?
Have another one? Thank you. Oh, I can have two? Thank you.
What's the app you use to determine the probability of the gap close? That's Edgeful. Yeah, it's gonna be Edgeful here. You can, I mean, there's a bunch of different data that myself and a bunch of people use, but I'm probably using the ICT opening retracement gap fill data the most, IB data the most, I would say.
Oh, dude, Jordan joined the Wolfpack one day ago. Were you not subscribed before?
I was not.
Did you get gifted the membership, or did you just?
Apparently, I don't know. I just kind of can't. I didn't buy one, so I must have.
Look at how Emp has been doing it.
Oh.
Edge flow, edge full,
edge full,
if you will. Any earnings plays you're looking into today? Did you pull up the earnings calendar at all?
I'll pull up the earnings calendar real quick.
Rocket Lab, CoreWeave, Rigetti.
Yeah, Rocket Lab's gonna be big dog.
Rocket Lab.
CoreWeave, we got more quantum names this week with RGTI. We had IonQ last week. We had QBTS last week, I think, and now we have QUBT.
No. Let me see. Thank you.
Disney. Circle on. Those will be fun. Curious what Rocket Lab's gonna do though. Yeah.
Broke 700.
Hey, chill, little baby, down.
Oh no.
Fuck up my microphone. What's you doing?
Looks like we're trying to hold this order block down here.
Yeah, we had right above the massive fair value gap highs. Daily one from like way back.
Not doing shit today. My Netflix is back.
Jordan, you need some more. You need some more stocks for yourself. Some more like longer term ones that you're actually trading that you could like top in and watch.
I have Rivian that I just bought recently and Bumble that I just bought recently, but
Mead, I like it. Bumble's been getting crushed a little bit,
yeah,
but I'm still holding. Oh, I actually sold out. I don't know. I didn't think Bumble worked that well.
it's
But I also
it's
don't
like
like-
2% of my portfolio, so
Buy a share of BM&R. Come to the dark side.
oh, I'm not buying BM&R. What is that right now? I thought this was gonna just rug even more. I still think it can, but you're sweeping these lows and holding, so it's good. But when we were down here, I'm like, oh gosh, might as well just go to these lows at $30. Now that we're trying to see some life off of here, though, could maybe hold. Got to build some structure.
XOM new high.
Chugging.
Yeah. SPY new highs looking good. No, not that kind of high, but yeah, you can wave. Comes it HD is playing out. HD from the lows. That hourly reversal is a perfect morning star on HD. On the 1 hour chart, looking great. Come on, Meta. Break this freaking pre-market high. You just gotta stick. Break it.
It's been doing nothing all day.
Yeah, it's all right.
Meta ain't doing much.
Got call swings on. Still looking good. I think my METUs are still up like 35 or 40%.
Let's go Tommy up 500% from his QQQ calls on Friday.
Let's fucking go.
I want to see us trade into this gap at some point this week, but we might not need to. Didn't quite fill that last night.
Sit down.
Power hour coming in.
Baby.
Power hour. Do you guys trade more during power? I know we get the dead times a little bit. Some people trade more during the afternoon. Power hour?
No, not me.
ICT. But time frames are fractal, so why don't you trade as much during the afternoon?
No, price is fractal.
Sorry. Casey lives like this and is like, you know what I want? Homeschooling.
The little one's just going.
Can you hear her?
What's she saying?
I put a cat on my chart, and she's like curious. She's like, what the heck? Oh, there it is. There it is. Mhm.
She's teaching you how to trade, guys. Listen up.
Oh yeah.
Hey, should I trim this XOM? What do you think? Yes or no? Okay. Is that financial advice? Yes or no?
If she uses prop firms, she uses Good Wolf.
Oh yeah, it's the bull and bear statue.
This right here is why I don't like Restream. I wish I could make the resolution better, but I have it all jacked up as much
Can you
as
give
it
me a
can
little
be from
plus
my
one?
end.
Can you give me a command plus?
No.
Just one.
Maybe.
Do you have like the premium or pro version?
I don't
for
have
Restream?
command on my thing.
Control?
Might be control.
No, that's not it. Maybe it's option or shift. I don't know. There's one that makes all the text just a little bit bigger.
I just did it.
I didn't see it. I'll take your word for it, though. I trust you. I'm going to have to drop off in a second. By the way, there we go. Give the stream a like. Subscribe to the channel. If you're watching on X, make sure you're following the Wolf Trading account. We got the whole squad up here. We appreciate them for joining in. We'll do more tweets. Like, I think we've done a couple of them recently, actually, of like, you know, the follower shout outs. We'll do more of those so you can get the whole squad. But we're trying to build something big here. We're trying to, I know these guys love trading, guys and girls love trading, want to help teach and do that stuff. Jordan, this next week or something, we got to get at least KC going. We got to get the whole squad going. But kind of what we did with Maple, I'd love to like dig in more in like a 20-30 minute video, hour video, or whatever with KC.
Yeah.
And then we can create a good video from it.
I'm down.
Hell yeah. I think I'm about to bounce out here in a second.
You got anything going on? It's a little bit of a joke because I can clearly see you got a little bit going on.
Just gonna get some Christmas stuff. What are you doing? Being weird. Some Christmas stuff set up. Say hi. Say hi, Jordan.
What was that
Power
for?
hour.
All right, I'm gonna open up Stocks and Spaces.
Sounds good.
Shift and
Good job,
scroll
brother.
on Windows.
Mm-hmm.
Then there were 3, but looks like we're holding 700s. Some names are ripping, holding their highs like Palantir, SoFi. That Cloudflare is up nice. Lamb Research is cooking good. Some names that aren't feeling the love. Thomson Reuters, that trade I have is not working. I have time on it though, so I'm gonna let it ride. Metals rocketing again, EXK, API, other miners, good, SBSW. Defense names selling off a little bit. Lockheed Martin and Northrop Grumman off their highs by a bit. Actually rejecting right here to 30-minute algo level I have. 7-11, 25s. See if we can break through that or not.
I feel like I don't know how to read the charts with my screen all.
What do you mean?
You ever feel that? Like, or you change chart colors?
Oh yeah.
You're like, I don't know how to read this.
Mm-hmm. I got mine nice and basic, just black background, red and teal.
I missed Friday. The volatility was so good for trading after such a long time. I know. It was good. We had a good trading day today, though. It's just, I don't know. I feel like there were great moves, both sides. Not as high volatility, of course, but shit, VIX still at the 17 mark. It's not bad. One hour left.
I know I'm often critical of the music, but this is heat. We got something good going on. KC, Mr. David A is curious where you're from.
Where I'm from or where I'm at?
Ask him where you're from in the YouTube chat.
I am initially from Virginia. And then I was raised in South Carolina and then moved to North Carolina. Spy, another new high.
Cruising.
Send it. New all-time highs this week.
That's what Rizzo said beginning of the week.
Let's get it.
Might as well.
Yeah, Tommy, what you're saying about how much gas it has, you also got to put it into perspective. Like, you zoom out, it's like, it's proportional. Like, it is a big move, but compared to what been getting with the speed and the ranges, you know, we're still in that kind of state to have moves this big. So, speed creates speed. You know, things in these markets that cause more of themselves to happen.
Mm-hmm.
Until it starts to die out, then you can hit the gas. That's what most of trading is knowing when to hit the gas and when to sit on your hands.
Odds low for all-time highs this week. I'm curious based off what? We are a decent ways still from them, though. Like what? How many points? Yeah, we still got decent amount of work to do to them. SPY a little stronger than Qs today. Yeah, we saw that kind of across the board all morning. Even just too, you'll notice it on the bounce back. I mean, we were taking highs on ES earlier than NQ this morning, and then when we did sell off, we didn't bounce as quick on NQ as we did on SPY.
Oh damn, Tommy! I didn't even know that was going on. That's
yeah,
funny.
apparently there's a police chase in Brentwood right now.
Dude. Like, yeah,
we
man.
Used to always,
you look at the reaction off this level.
We used to always freaking, like, every time there's a police chase on my stream, we'd like turn it on stream, just hang out and watch it. Stupid as shit.
One of my friends love watching the police streams and the ones in LA. They just go on Facebook. There's like a stream for like police car chases. It's quite addictive.
Dude, it's like when you're in high school and like you're in the class at 10 a.m. and your friend's like, "Yo, look at the craziest thing you've ever seen in your life," at like 10 o'clock in the morning. Nobody else? It's just my friends.
Got this previous high I'm looking at. That's all I got next, really, for the next spot.
I just trimmed another of XOM. And I closed my Visa puts for -5%. And I will look to re-enter at another time.
We got over 200. We got over 200 people.
Cruising.
And bro, 60% of people get away. 100% of mine never did. Sucks. Come on, TGT, busted.
Where's she at? She trying? I'll be right back, Casey.
Sound good. VIX is starting to pop up on the 5-minute and been pushing higher, but SPY also still pushing higher. Damn, XOM, you gonna get hit 119 before close? You gonna get me deep in the money.
Why the VIX rebound? Well, volatility is volatility if it's going up or down, and it's not really much of a rebound in terms of like what has happened. the volatility on the way up and the way down, it's still volatility, and people buying insurance could make the put option go up, which could make the VIX go up. Just because a bunch of people want insurance could lead to a lot of buying and a lot of appreciation, even though the volatility hasn't come in yet. The thing is still get priced in.
Bro, the daily chart on SPY is so funny. Everyone thought the market was cooked. And then all of a sudden, that daily chart said, yeah.
As long as we keep holding every anchored VWAP I mark,
Dude, it's insane.
we're fine. We just came back, tested again, so I run a new anchored VWAP, delete this one. We should go to all-time highs again. And then have to back test that again. It's what's happened since Terra flows. Every single time we tap anchored VWAP on the new higher low and mark a new one, we go see all-time highs and we come back test it. At some point, that back test, we're going to run through it and it's not going to hold no more. But until that happens, I'm going to keep rolling with thinking we just back test and go back to all-time highs. Like, I'll just start from here. Like, look at how uncanny this is.
All right, I'll be right back.
Yeah. Okay, every time. Every time. Boom. We break through it. We reclaim. So where do I run it again? On the reclaim. Hello, delete, please. Boom. And now we're here again. Every time. When's it going to change? I don't know. But I ain't going to predict when. Just going to keep playing what it's shown me to play every single time we dip. NDX gap filled. Let's go. Love it. "45 minutes of doing nothing here." Slap off the highs.
Yeah, VIX is picking up steam off the low.
Fine, bro. Snipe end of day puts. Ooh. Right after that gap fill, just get that slap. Love it.
IWM just caught one.
Well, that's a wrap for the day for me. I'm hanging out till close, but that's going to be it until tomorrow, until tonight. We'll see if we get any setups tonight. I'll look to play London session. Fill the midnight open again. Just a reminder, though, just because you know that there's an 80% chance that we rebalance to that level in London, or the gap fill that we run overnight as well, like all that stuff, does not mean you get blindly positioned for that. Doesn't mean that we open up in London and you just short because we're over midnight open. It might work, but you want to have actual points of confluence to be able to manage your risk. Because if you can't do that, then you're not going to have long-term success doing it. You're going to have one time that ruins you. So
God,
make sure you have an actual entry model.
My WM did not like that.
Core weave with the earnings long. I wouldn't play anything through earnings, if I'm being honest, but looking at it, I mean, yeah, it's been relatively weak. Chopping in this range. I wouldn't do anything into earnings, though. It's a gamble. But definitely relatively weak into earnings compared to a lot of other names. Dude running from the police is in Orange County now. Oh boy. He's getting moving. God damn. Said they ain't catching me today.
Not on a Monday.
Not on a Monday.
As much as I want to go short, I kind of do want to go short SPX.
Tommy can see the helicopters from his porch. Let's go.
Yeah, that's all.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
Oh, yeah. Let them know.
Maybe they pin it at the close.
Drilling. Little drill action.
God, IWM. What a freaking short that was. Up to equal highs and got hammered.
You know, got that gap fill and said I'm out.
Come on, bring it down a little bit more.
Bring it in, twin. Bring it in, twin.
I'm trying, I promise. Doing my best.
Come on.
Yeah, it's probably high a day. I wouldn't mind if it was. Create a little bit of a range going into the evening. I'd like that. I'd also like if we can open up London like over 100 points away from midnight open. That'd be nice. Probably not going to happen, but okay.
I'm so hard right running.
By the way, let's do a little P&L check for everybody. Drop some ones in the chat if you guys are green. Twos if you're red on the day. Zeros, flat or no trade. I'm a one. Let's go, baby. Kelsey's the one.
I just stopped out the rest of my SPX puts right there in profit. A little bit, nothing crazy. I only went like $60 per contract gain. They just took the rest out.
Look at this whole chat with ones. Love it. Oh, they're just bouncing it right back. Okay.
Yep.
I thought we actually put in like a little bit of a short-term high there. Maybe not. Jeez.
We got 35 minutes left.
It's like the most momentum I've seen off the highs in the past few hours. I was like, okay, maybe that's something. Maybe not.
All right. I'm headed out.
Yep.
Day.
It's the move.
We're up 1,200 to start the week. So
let's go.
It's not a bad Monday.
Not a bad Monday.
Not a bad day at all. So I'm going to finish up a few things, but great talking and trading with you guys. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the morning.
You too, brother. See you in the morning.
Later.
Tommy's all over the place. That's all right, Tommy. He's got an account green 1,200, an account red 800, freaking all over the place. Been there. Green options, green top step, red on Lucid. Got you. Because I'm playing with clear edge, trying to get it to work. Yeah, I got you. What do we want to do? 20 minutes till MOC. See if they want to take us to a new high. Are there more people off the screen? Eva might still be here.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, Eva's here. How do I get your screen back on? Hold on. There we go. Have you used Code Wolf at Alpha Futures? Of course. And Tradeify. Haven't used it in a little while, though, because I haven't had to. But I will have to after like a couple more payouts. But yeah, make sure you guys are using Code Wolf. All your favorite prop firms, Tradeify, Top One, Alpha Futures. Apex, it's going to be WolfX. I would say I probably use Tradeify and Alpha Futures the most. Of course, I trade nothing more, though, than my live account lately. I trade my live account the most. But still trading my fundeds. Live account's just so nice, especially on TradingView. Like, because for one, I can just execute on TradingView. For two, you guys can just see those executions on the screen very easily. You can see all the executions I make, and it's just much easier not having to chart one place and trade in another. I just hate that. I like to be able to chart and trade in the same spot, and I'm not going to chart on Project X. No chance. So. And then, guys, reminder, you're going to want to take advantage of that Clear Edge link. If you want the free trial for 2 weeks, you need to take advantage of it today. I'll put it up on screen. But you guys want to take advantage of this today because it's going away today. So if you don't lock in the free trial by the end of the night, it's going to be gone. You can get the free trial for 2 weeks, but if you don't do it by tonight, it's going to be gone. So take advantage of it. 2-week free trial. Ton of people already signed up. So if you want it, go to the timeline there on Wolf Trading. Well, we got a few days in a range, in a bigger time frame range. It looks like this market wants to go back to all-time highs again. We'll see. We need to break through this bearish for value. Sitting here. Let you break through that. There's no reason to not go to all-time highs. Actually, I need to mark that differently. Low. Need to watch that, and then I need to keep that open. Okay. Bought some Reddit calls near the open and sold them for a small profit after they decide. What's Reddit looking like? What? Yeah. Kind of ugly. Not a great weekly opening candle here. Inside candle, inside week. Still getting delivery from big weekly for value though, which is bullish. I don't know. Needs time. Gotcha. Good stuff, Forbes. Good stuff.
Oh.
Let's go, Dan. One in the chat. Having a good day. I kind of got a late entry on the trade last night. This is the initial entry. Changing the state, back test that. Got in a little bit later. Was able to pyramid in though to that midnight open. Same thing this morning. Later entry, but pyramid into a midnight open. Now, what do we want to do? Up almost 500. Nice Monday. Let's go. It's a great Monday. It's a phenomenal Monday. No. I've been trying to set up Clear Edge for 3 hours now. What? What are you having trouble with? What's taking so long to set up? Because it's pretty fast usually. All of it. No, when I'm talking about any hours in the market, I'm talking about EST, John. So that's midnight time Eastern. Yeah, always Eastern time. I've managed to get the strategy on TradingView. Okay, cool. So once you get the strategy on TradingView, you should be able to grab the webhook URL, and you're able to create alerts, and then you can pick whatever algo you want to use, whatever strategy it is you want to use. So instead of condition being price, I turn it into the strategy, and then I'll go over to the message, paste the message that ClearEdge gives you, and then in notifications, the webhook URL, you paste that ClearEdge webhook URL here. And then, of course, from the ClearEdge side, you make sure you're picking the accounts that you want and the sizing, the contracts. Don't worry, Tommy. If you're having any trouble, just get in the Discord and talk with the boys. They will help you. They will get you set up. Promise. Another new high. 10 minutes till MOC. What we got? Taking out highs on NQ, not on ES. Well, divergence at highs. Yeah, for sure, Tommy. They'll help you out. Thought Wednesday we see a rip from news. What news do we have Wednesday? We don't have any Wednesday. Less than 40 subs away from 2K. Let's go, y'all. Run it up. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like the stream. We're almost there, baby. Almost there. NVIDIA run in $200 possible today. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's right there. It's definitely possible. 60 cents? 50 cents? Yeah. If not, at the end of the New York session here, like probably into after hours. Come on, NVIDIA, go do it. 40 cents. Evan just put out a big list of all the stocks that hit 52-week highs today. Bank of America, a lot of banks on there. GM was on there. Eli Lilly, Micron, Seagate, Shell, New York Times, a bunch of names on there. all the earnings reporting this afternoon for those that haven't seen it. Rocket Lab's a big one. CoreWeave, Rigetti, ASTS, BBAI, Oxy. Plenty to watch this evening. MBIS tomorrow. Next week is NVIDIA. Jordy, you ever trade Hood? Yes, but I usually trade the 2x leverage version. HOOG. That's what I've been trading recently if I do trade Hood. I took this trade here when we had it. I bought us right off the open on the, what was this? Thursday, October 23rd. And I rode this into these previous highs. I was risking the daily lows. So yeah, I like Hood. You know, it's an individual name, so got to be in a specific spot for me to want to take a trade on it. But if I do, I always take advantage of the 2x leverage. Yeah, no, it can be, the 2x leverage can be a little scary for sure. You just got to be careful. I love it though, because I'm generally not trying to trade it a bunch. So I only take like those A+ opportunities when I see them, you know. This is what I traded though on 2x leverage Hood. At Thursday. Other than that, I haven't traded it really. Recently, at least. What do you guys think about SMR? New Scale Power. Been taking a hit. Tapping into a big bullish area though. Just based off the charts, I don't know this company at all, but based off the charts, I'm pretty bullish. Sweeping previous monthly lows, tapping in a monthly bullish for value. Pretty bullish. I wouldn't be so bullish if we're trading under 1750. So we set up a Tradeify account first, then ClearEdge. Whatever, yeah, either way, it doesn't matter. You can get signed up for ClearEdge first if you want to and lock that in. And then go buy a Tradeify account or a Top Step account or a My Funded Futures account or an Apex account. Just make sure you use code WOLF. But yeah. Hey, no worries, bro, Hizzle. I think for me, that makes the 2x leverage a little bit easier. Like, for the most part, is the fact that, again, I'm only trading them when I'm on, like, bigger time frames. I'm really not looking to just intraday scalp them. And so I usually have a lot of conviction. Of course, doesn't mean I'm not going to take losses. Of course, I'll be wrong sometimes, but there's Joe. What's up, Joe?
So, dude, I ran the project I'm working on, and it had to download like 4 things.
Oh, you're good.
Yeah.
What does your Discord include? Mine? It's not even mine, so don't got much to say there. But it's Justin Morlanes. You guys know Justin. I've talked about him plenty. I learned much of what I do from him, so it's his Discord. It includes live trading. We do like actual live trading where, you know, I'm showing my screen or they're showing their screen. We switch off with each other. We do live, you know, classes. stuff like that. We're always chatting in the chats. So pretty much just a room of traders doing the same thing. And then we do the live streams, of course. I just like to be in there because it's nice to have a room of like people that trade like me. You know what I mean? Obviously, like I love being on spaces and the streams and stuff. But it's nice to have a side community that literally looks at the market exactly like I do. You know, it's nice to have, but not needed. You guys don't need to go pay for those rooms at all. Just hang out on stream. Of course, if you want a sense of community, you can look at, you know, the room I'm in, the room Emp's in. I know Emp's in some rooms with Minx and Rizzo, and got the whole team. So just figure out what works best for you, but it's not needed.
Shout out Knots too.
Yeah, Knots' room. Yeah, Knots has a great room. Maple. I love Maple's room. It's fantastic. Paper games. I would say out of all of them, this is just like me being completely honest, Paper Games probably offers the most. In terms of traders and like being well-rounded in all forms of trading, long-term, short-term, crypto, swing, day trading, all of it, selling options.
Yeah, I got a few messages, and people are like, oh, but I have to pay for Discord and stuff. I don't think you guys, for the younger ones at least, it pays to invest in yourself, first of all, right? Your education is not free. And then the other thing is finding the community you really want to be a part of. That's the hard part, like a really genuine community who will be supportive. And like free, quote unquote, will only get you so far. I'm really sorry. And the people who keep asking like what's your strat and stuff, it just can't be taught overnight, right? And the people who are teaching are providing you value, so the least you can do is just really invest in yourself, basically. And the best part is it can all be written, you know, as educational write-off, essentially.
Agreed.
But obviously check with your accountant. So there are certain levels of education, as I'm sure you know. The top of the top are obviously charging high ticket. There's a reason for that. And having been in the high ticket space myself, and I have invested thousands and thousands of dollars into many courses myself, you will find the best of the best in these top higher ticket programs. So I think it's the same when you go to like the masterminds and stuff where you're paying like 50 grand, you know, for 3 days. Who do you think goes to those places? Who do you think gets invited to like Rolex events, all these, right? They've obviously spent significant amount of funds in themselves or on their business to be at the seat at the table. What do you think you don't get a seat at that table, right? So think of it in a different way and just do your research, obviously. So do be careful. There are obviously some scams out there, but you can see the track records and see through that very easily for research.
Yeah. Just remember, like the Discord, what you're really paying for in terms of Discords, whether it's, doesn't matter whose it is, it's really a sense of community you're paying for the most part. Because like realistically, everything that's taught in every room ever can be found online. But that's not really what you're paying for. You're paying to have that more like one-on-one intervention with people, right? Actually feeling like you're being taught and have a sense of community and people to fall back on, versus just doing it by yourself. Because, you know, with all that said, I'm a big believer that you can go on YouTube, grind for a year, 2 years straight, and learn everything you need to learn off of the internet. But it's going to take longer. It's going to be more of a struggle. You're doing it by yourself, you know? So,
oh yeah,
it's all just, do you want that sense of community or not, you know? And it's important. It's more important than you think. When you start trading, you're like, I don't care, whatever. I'm just going to do me. And then you realize very quickly that it's nice to have a crew behind your back, you know, helping you out when things are bad. You're able to talk with everybody and get some advice and not crash out and blow accounts, you know. So it's useful for sure. And very beneficial for the newest traders, I think.
Yeah, David A, I agree. Newbies always looking for the holy grail. And
I did
it's,
too.
it's the
I did
mindset.
too.
Everybody
Yeah, there is no holy grail. What you'll
isn't.
find, you'll just go around and learn from multiple people. That's
The holy
really,
grail is your risk management, is you hunkering down
that too.
and saying, I'm going to actually follow rules and do this professionally and act like a professional. That's the holy grail that we all want, but we never think that that's the holy grail. It's like gold covered in, moss. You can't even tell it's gold because it's all mossed up. There's moss all over it. You know what I mean? But under it, it's freaking a gold mine. That's exactly like what we need, but we just don't care in the beginning. We don't want it.
Another thing with communities that's nice too is it gives you a sense of accountability. Everybody's talking about their plays. Oh, what'd you take today, Joe? It's like, oh, I longed 17 NASDAQs in this random spot for some reason. Like, you don't want to tell people that.
Exactly.
So then you get a little bit more. Oh, I bought three MNQs here because of these reasons. It worked against me, but I got stopped out here. I didn't lose too much. I can trade again tomorrow.
Yeah.
Losses are okay. Blowing accounts is where it gets fishy.
I would say, Anthony, for your chat, I would say anybody in our crew, like, you don't have to worry about in terms of being scammed or anything. But I would say you got to find who you like, like find who you like in terms of the trading style. Emp does what he does with Minx and Rizzo. I'm doing what I do with Justin. Like, Paper's doing his thing. Like, everybody's kind of got their own thing going, and everybody's definitely like solid in our group, in the Wolf crew. But in terms of who to choose, I think that's where you got to kind of figure that out for yourself and say, hey, like, who do I trade most like, or who do I resonate with the most, But anybody in the Wolf crew, you don't got to worry about.
It feels cool too when you learn how to trade to your disposition, and you feel like it's an expressive feeling. It sounds weird if you've never experienced that, but
agreed.
When you get into a trade and you explain it and you're like, that trade is so me.
Yeah.
You learn that as you go on, and you'll have more of them if you can trade. So size smaller.
Yeah. By the way, somebody asked about meta earlier. I'm pretty bullish meta, as nasty as it's been. Sweeping these monthly lows, respecting the 50% retracement of this monthly gap, which is bullish. As long as we're holding this, I'm extremely bullish. We'll see what happens going into the next month, which we have a lot of time for. But that's definitely going to be interesting. But I love this whole area. I want to see us continue to bounce strong from this and get back into this kind of over 650s. That'd be ideal. Meta's tough right now, though, at the bottom of this range. You got to be careful. Longer time frame, though, I like it at this area. There's also some good traders in the chat. Facts. We have a lot of great traders in the chat. The whole community, Spaces community, too.
Good sign too is how do people act when other people make money. You can see your favorite traders being supportive and lifting people up. Good sign.
As hard as it is, you guys will see me. There's some mornings where literally every single person on Spaces is banking, and I'm sitting back and I didn't get a trade. And I'm sitting back and I'm just like, it is what it is, right? You just gotta live through it and clap for others until you get your cheese, because you'll get it.
Your cheese.
You just gotta clap for everybody else while they're enjoying it,
I think some people get really lost as newer traders. They're like, what do I trade? Do I do futures, options, stocks, or God knows what, or Forex, crypto? There's so many different markets. Pick one and pick one instrument to trade with. So whether that's options or futures, and just get good at it. And then you can start layering the other stuff. But if I were to start again, I would have probably started in futures. I did come from a Forex background before, way back. So that kind of helped with position sizing. And then I went into penny stocks and then stocks, equity itself. And then I went through options. And then now I'm doing full circle and learning futures. So risk management definitely at its finest, I would say, in futures. and that will carry through into your other trading.
Jody got crazy patience. I've lost money enough times, you know.
Oh yeah.
I like, and it's never any shade to anybody that we trade with, but like the amount of times I've like everybody's short or something, everybody's making money, and I finally am like, fine, I'll go in. And dude, like it's just the dumbest thing I could have done. For one, I'm just trading off somebody else, their decisions. For two, that 9 times out of 10 was the freaking not the spot to be taking that position, right? And now we get screwed. And so it's just, it comes down to, at the end of the day, like, I love everybody's thoughts on spaces and everything, and all the conversations we have, they're great. But when I'm trading, I don't listen to a single soul but myself. Nobody. Not one person's thought, not one person's confluence is going to affect me. It doesn't matter to me whatsoever. And because I know myself, I know my strategy, I know it works. I know what I do is going to work. And so at the end of the day, I could care less what anybody else says, right? No matter how confident somebody is or how confident I am with their trading. Like, for instance, EMP. I know that motherfucker is going to kill it almost every day. Like, there's going to be bad days for sure, but EMP's going to show up and ruin this market pretty much every day. Am I ever going to take a position based off what he says, though? No. And that's where it comes down to, and that's where I think the professionals differ from the non-professionals. Is I'm going to show up and we're going to talk on spaces. We're all going to have our thoughts. But when it comes to decision time, I'm listening to nobody but me, right? And that really that helps with consistency, because I'm able to sit back and know every decision that made was me. It's not like one day I traded and I took this guy's positions, and another day I traded and I'm trading mine, and then another day I'm taking Joe's play, right? It's like there's no consistency there. And that's where it can be a little tough with all that going on, right? So yeah, it just comes down to your tolerance. Exactly. That too. Obviously, if you have a big dog account that you don't care about jeopardizing a little bit of money in, you could follow everybody's plays and probably be fine, right? But that's not what we teach. What'd you say about tomorrow market on the last live? So tomorrow's a bank holiday. The market will be open. The only thing is, anybody that has a cash account that used funds today, it will not settle tomorrow. So usually your funds settle overnight. They're not going to settle tomorrow because it's a bank holiday. So any money you use to trade today, you won't be able to trade with tomorrow. So let's say, you traded $1,000 today, you have a $1,500 account, you're only going to have $500 to trade tomorrow.
I didn't realize the market.
Yeah. Well, market's closed tomorrow.
Market's closed up. Did we even get MOC? I didn't see it come out.
I think it was a 50 million buy.
Was it? Okay. I was trying to look for it. I didn't see
My
it.
bad.
So I just kind of...
Yeah, it was.
All right, though.
Well, crew, phenomenal day. I'm going to get it wrapped up, but shout out to all the new members today. We got a bunch of new members, a bunch of super chats. Shout out to the Wolf crew. If you join the Wolf Pack, throw a W in the chat. And we'll be back with everybody tomorrow, live on Spaces early. And then we'll get back on stream probably around 1, 2 p.m. Eastern tomorrow. So we'll see everybody then. Everybody enjoy the evening. What's up?
I was going to say, for those of you who are new, who just joined, we're not on YouTube all day. So in the morning, sometimes we're on Spaces on X, just for the people joining in from YouTube. And then we switch over to YouTube in the afternoon.
Yep.
So yeah, follow us on there. Hit the like and subscribe button, guys.
Yes,
And we'll catch you tomorrow.
All right, y'all.
Everybody.
Enjoy the night. Peace out. Thanks, Eva and Joe, for joining me. We'll see you guys tomorrow.